Today I'm going to go ahead and sand off these old Midas logos on the side.
It's time for something a little freaky!
Oh yeah! AnthWare proudly presents. Oh yeah! Butt RV.
It's totally fucked!
Got some new side mirrors, rear view mirrors, because the ones that were on there, yeah, that's what was on there, this little thing. So that's a much bigger improvement there. And here is my roof. It's dirty now, but yeah, got the silicone on there. I'd like to do another coat. In between the thunderstorms, we are gonna paint this bad boy. Yeah, finally. It's warming up enough to paint. So today is my last day of work. Every day I walk by living stones and granite on my walk to work. This will be the last time of that. The Town Pump corporate offices. The last day. Yeah. I spent the last 7 years here. Last time here, huh? I guess it's gonna be a bittersweet. I heard today is gonna be a crazy day. So here we are, ready to finish leaving the house. Echoey in here. Yeah. That's where the TV was and the couch was somewhere around here. This was our bedroom. It's empty. It's where the bed used to be. Wife's TV over here. Be the last time sleeping in a sticks and bricks tonight. Only thing left, of course, last but not least, to go out the door. You know how it is. Internet's the last thing out. Yeah, this used to be the office. With those curtains down. Yeah, it was pretty ugly. I never liked the color of these walls in here, so that's why I did those curtains when I did. The main rig was over here. The collection stuff was over here. This little cubby back here was my unboxing and table recording area. This is a very creepy closet. Yep. Yeah. There's the dog. A little microwave that was with the house, so don't need to take that. Refrigerator, which held a lot of my beer over the years. Stove. Appliances all go with the place. Last bit of clothes we just did laundry on. That's going to be an interesting challenge on the road. This was our kitchen countertop, what's left of it. And of course, the throne room. Woo! Oh, gotta grab my trash can. And my soap. There it is. Then back here was the back porch area. And for the longest time, where I loved to hang out, was over there at that old stand where I had the barbecue and everything. Yeah, a little makeshift lawn. This was all dirt when we first moved in here. And I actually got it to grow grass almost completely, just a little patch. Over there is the rhubarb plant. We're gonna miss you, rhubarb plant. Let's disconnect that internet and get the hell out of here and get into the RV. And just like that, before the rain hit, we are now officially in the RV. Only last thing we gotta do is wait for the rain to stop. Yeah, not really. At least I finally got some clear days, and that's the reason why I didn't take much footage, is because this dang rain has been insane since May. May and almost all of this June, very few clear sunny days. But yeah, here's our bed situation. We're officially in. Maybe I'll do like a real good tour, because I still have to show off what the paint job looks like outside. And it's kind of pouring right now, so I'm not going to go out there and vlog. But yeah, here we are. This is home. There's Doggy's bed. I'm going to have to wait until, you know, it's sunny out and do a nice, good tour of the RV in its finished state. So you're going to have to wait, but we've made it this far. Yes, we have. It's been a long journey. So I want to wrap up this video here. Hopefully now I can make more vlogs, see where this journey takes us. This is Anthony from AnthWare, and from this time and every time on, folks, keep on clicking on my butt-fucked RV.